As a country, we face a generational transition. Below 35, they are crying out for help. The country is in a mess. We know we are inheriting a mess. We know this country has been left with nothing.
Citizens Coalition for Change leader and President Advocate Nelson Chamisa has warned his counterpart President Douglas Mwonzora of the MDCT and said, never go to bed with ZANU-PF. It's dangerous. Maybe just go to dinner, but then use a very long spoon. Otherwise, it will end in tears. Douglas Mwonzora has been used by ZANU-PF for a very long time. If you take a look on the fight about the MDCT leadership, Douglas Mwonzora was at the center of everything. He worked with people like Kure, booted out Advocate Nelson Chamisa, and then later booted out Kure herself. And at a later stage, we have seen MDC now trying to stop the elections in Zimbabwe. We have seen them going to the Constitutional Court in a bid to challenge the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission delimitation report, which sought to stop the 2023 elections. A sign that indeed the people in charge are in fear. They want these elections to be stopped. They don't want to go through the constitutional process of having a legitimately elected president being in power, because they have lost support everywhere. They no longer have support everywhere across Zimbabwe. They are no longer loved. They are no longer trusted. They now rely on food buying. They now rely on intimidation. They now rely on abusing the court processes, jailing of opposition leaders. Those are the issues which are now being used by those in power. But are they going to last long? It won't be so. So this is it, Team Zimbabwe. I don't know mafungiro ina maonera muri kuti munoti kudi pamsoro pe advice yapiwa na Advocate Nelson Chamisa.